Hello, and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be planning for Thanksgiving, the week of November the 19th through the 25th. This is my Farmhouse Happy Planner Classic. And let's see here, where are we at? This is this current week. So we will go ahead and get started. In today's video, I will be using a kit from My Paper Love Studio. It was a current kit that I purchased this season. And as far as washi, I have a roll from Erin Condren that says Grateful and Thankful. And I'm not for sure where I picked these two up, but I may use those as well. And then I have some other little functional stickers, seasonal stickers that are left over from different kits that I may need to use as well. Okay. So yeah, this is my little sheet then for my to-do list of to do, to go, and to brain dump. And it's great. If you like this video, please consider liking it and subscribing it to see more upcoming videos. Thanks so much and happy Thanksgiving.